Welcome to my video. In this video, we are going to see about Koch's postulates. Koch summarized his experiments on the etiology of wound infections. With his collaborators, he devised new research methods to isolate pathogenic bacteria. Koch determined guidelines to prove that a disease is caused by a specific organism. These four basic criteria are called Koch's postulates. Koch's postulates. According to these, a microorganism can be accepted as the causative agent of an infectious disease only if the following conditions are satisfied. First, the bacterium should be constantly associated with the lesions of the disease. Second, it should be possible to isolate the bacterium in pure culture from the lesions. Third, inoculation of such pure culture into suitable laboratory animals should reproduce the lesions of the disease. Fourth, it should be possible to re-isolate the bacterium in pure culture from the lesions produced in the experimental animals.